Engine. Most K5 models are powered by a 191 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder that pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Using that engine, the K5 comes standard with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. The full Monte GT model has a more powerful turbo 2.5-liter 4 that generates 290 horses and 311 pound-feet of torque. Along with its exclusive 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, the sportiest K5 is fitted with bigger brakes, a unique suspension tune, and wider tires on larger 19-inch rims. 0-60 mph times. The GT we drove sprinted to 60 mph in just 5.2 seconds and stopped from 70 mph in 163 feet. The Sonata N-Line, which shares the same engine and transmission, was slightly quicker to 60 mph and stopped even shorter. Car lovers, don't forget to subscribe and like for content. However, the Hypo Hyundai we tested wore optional summer tires which contributed to its performance advantage, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. The K5 GT is rated for 24 mpg city and 32 highway. When we took the GT on this test, it overperformed, beating its rating by 4 with a result of 36 mpg. Interior. The layout is both sophisticated and straightforward, and the cabin is appointed with attractive materials such as wood trim on the dash and doors. The K5 also offers an array of upscale interior features, such as ambient interior lighting on the dash and doors, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. While the driver's seat feels high even set at its lowest point, the comfortable dead pedal for your left foot and floor. Hinged accelerator are nice touches. The back seat also provides generous legroom and the trunk has plenty of luggage space. We managed to fit 7 carry-on suitcases back there.